Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into this video, I think I deserve a round of applause because your girl been coming through with the consistent uploads, okay? I will wait. Thank you. Today, I want to talk about some things. I want to get some things off my chest. I don't feel like doing any hair because honestly, the bitches ain't been getting no fucking click or anything. So, there's some things that I want to get off my chest. So that's why I'm doing an unpopular opinions video. So, let's just get right into it, okay? I wrote my points down because I put them in my notes, and obviously I'm using my phone to record, so I can't use my phone. Anyways, let's get right into it. To start, now, I don't need none of y'all motherfuckers coming after me. And I'm talking about you, Beehive, okay? I'm talking about you. Beyonce is overrated.
I said what I said.
And at this point, I'm starting to think that's not an unpopular opinion because I'm seeing a lot of people feel the same way. Honestly, she's a human being. Y'all be doing the absolute most over her, okay? If y'all want to support somebody like that, support your girl, because why not? This is something that is so cringy to me. It's so cringy. And I don't know why people do this. I mean, I guess I know why, but I don't know. Naming your subscribers. For real. Like, they got the DDG squad, fucking some girl, I guess her middle name is Nicole, so she named her subscribers Nicole Gang. And it's like, if you gonna name your subscribers, at least be creative. Like, the Nicole Gang, come on now, you could do much better. But honestly, I feel like that's just lame to me. I think that's for kids. I think that's for toddlers. I'm just lame. But no, it's really lame to name your subscribers, in my opinion. Okay? Sugar goes on grits. I don't care what y'all say. I don't care what you've been taught. But sugar definitely goes on grits. And ain't nothing y'all can do to change my mind. Water is wet. I know that this has been a topic maybe a couple months ago. People were like trying to figure out if water is wet, but I feel like if you put something in water, whatever you put comes out wet, then wouldn't water be wet? Like, y'all don't make no fucking sense, okay? The people who say water is not wet is the same people who say the earth is flat.
What's going on? Y'all are going to jail. Period.
And I'm about sick of it, honestly. I'm sick and tired of it, okay? I'm so done. So done with y'all. End of discussion, water is wet. Thank you. Baby mama, baby daddy titles. I don't know if this is just a black community or if this is like universal, but for some reason, there's a weird stigma about being called baby mama or baby daddy. Most men don't care about being called baby daddy, but mamas, come on now. It's really not that big of a deal if you get called a baby mama. You taking care of your kid. That's all that matters. You taking care of your kid. It should not matter if you're being called baby mama at all. My baby daddy's baby mama, she wanted to be addressed as the mother of the child's mother, which is true. You are his child's mother, but you are still a baby mama. Like, those are the same. Those are the same thing. Like, there's no difference, okay? You can be the child's mother and you can still be a baby mama. I don't care what nobody say. I'm a fucking baby mama, okay? Thank you. Next. Chick-fil-A is trash. Chick-fil-A is trash. Chick-fil-A is trash. Chick-fil-A is trash. I don't care what you say. Chick-fil-A is trash, okay? The fries don't taste like shit. The chicken sandwich don't taste like shit. I had the salad. The only thing that I liked about the salad was the taste of the ranch. But It's trash. It's trash. Let it go. It's trash. I'm gonna say the next few because the last few ones that I have are kind of controversial, so we're gonna say those for last. But clickbait is good. Clickbait is good. I don't care what nobody say, clickbait is good. Because let's be honest, who's gonna click on something that is not interesting? Besides the thumbnail, the title is the next thing that you notice, or vice versa. Either you notice the title before the thumbnail, it doesn't matter. But clickbait is good. Let's be real. Everybody do it. I don't care what you say. If you want some attention, you're gonna throw a little razzle dazzle in your caption and your title and your thumbnail. You're gonna do what you gotta do if you got trying to get out there. Let's be honest. Clickbait is good. I don't care what nobody says. Clickbait is good. And it's funny to me that a lot of people say, like, when they're giving advice on new YouTubers, up and coming YouTubers, a lot of people say, don't do YouTube just for the money. Honestly, I feel like it's okay to do YouTube for the money. It does take a while to actually get the money, but I feel like once you do start getting the money, you'll want to put out more content to get more money. Okay? At the end of the day, we all trying to make some money. We all want to be rich as fuck. I really don't know nobody who don't want to be rich or at least have stable income coming in. So if you want to do YouTube just for money, then I say do YouTube just for money. Hey, I'm trying to increase my streams of income, so be my guest. I don't care. I feel like you can buy happiness. I honestly feel like you can buy happiness because I would be a lot more happy if I had money, okay? I think I would be a lot more happy if I had money. Because I know people like, well, you can't get a man with just money. I don't fucking know. Honestly, I don't know why y'all say that, because you can get a man with money if you want to. You can get a man with money. I don't know. I just think you can buy happiness. Like I said, I'd be a lot more happy if I had some money, and I know a lot of other people who would be a lot more happy if they had money, okay? Y'all, let's just be real. Couples channels and prank channels, just give it up. Like, just give it up. Those shits are so fucking played out. The shit doesn't make any sense. Like, we all know, at least the people who have hit fucking puberty, we all know that y'all pranks be fake. We all know that y'all shit be scripted. We all know. So it's like, the shit is boring. It's boring. It's not funny. It's not entertaining. It's lame. Like, yeah, the shit is lame. Just give it up. But then again, those channels be getting paid as fuck because the little ass kids be watching that shit. So maybe I'm gonna have to start me a couple channels. And this is kind of controversial. And if you wouldn't subscribe, that's totally fine with me. But I have my opinion, just like you have yours. So, with that being said, just because you have a black parent does not make you black, okay? Now, I say this because, say for example, black mom, black dad, or black mom, white dad, or vice versa. You come out with all the European features, all of them, skin color, everything, to the point where if somebody does not know you, they think you're white. So you are white. So let's be clear on the difference between race and ethnicity, okay? Race, and I looked it up and I wrote it down and make sure that I don't sound stupid. Some people might still feel like I sound stupid, and that's okay. we can always agree to disagree. Race refers to a person's physical characteristics such as bone structure, skin, hair, or eye color. Ethnicity, on the other hand, refers to cultural factors including nationality, ancestry, and language. I feel like this is kind of crooked. So, with that being said, race is the way you look, the color of your skin. Ethnicity is your culture, your background, all that, okay? And I'm gonna give you some examples of people who I've noticed that if you didn't know them, you would automatically assume that they were white because that's what they look like. Mariah Carey. When I first saw her, I thought she was a white woman. I believe Meghan Markle. When I first saw her, I did not know she was white. I mean, she had a black parent, okay? Now, I know some of y'all are gonna try to say, oh, the one drop rule. Well, I don't agree with the one drop rule simply because there's been multiple white people who do the little the DNA tester things to see like what the background is and all that extra shit. They will look as white as a motherfucking snow bunny, find out that they have 15% black in them, and now they're saying they're black. No, honey, it doesn't work like that. For example, what is the girl name? Jeez, it's on the tip of my tongue. Vicky. Vicky claims to be black because apparently she has, I don't know, the smallest percentage of black in her.
Sit here and tell me what race I am. If I say I'm black, then I'm black. I see my ancestry.com. Y'all did it. Yeah, my hair might be blonde and straight. Y'all ain't never heard of a perm or a straightener? A straightener. So you get it and you go like this. I'm black. End of story. Get that out of my face. Y'all finna make me mad.
Is what she said. And y'all will argue her down that she's not black. But why? But I hope y'all keep the same energy for the people who look white, who look European, even though they have a black parent or a black grandparent or whatever the case is. Y'all just need to keep that same energy, okay?
And I do just want to add that I just saw a picture of Aisha and Steph Curry's son, and y'all, he literally looks Caucasian. You would literally think, if you didn't know who his parents were, you would assume that he was white. Now, I'm not going to answer his picture because he is a child, and I'm not going to participate in any fucking slander to a child, but y'all can go look on, I think it was Hollywood Unlocked or Aisha's page or Steph's page. I don't know whose page it's on, but y'all can go look for yourself and see what I'm talking about.
If y'all are saying that, well, Vicky is white based on what she looks like, then keep the same energy for black people who look white just because, or even though they have a black parent, okay? So yeah.
And out of respect, I will identify you however you want to be identified. So don't think I'm trying to be disrespectful.
And hopefully you guys understand where I'm coming from with that. But yeah, I honestly feel like white passing people, meaning people who have black parents or whatever the case is, but looks white passing, are not black. And one other point, it's very, it makes me want to scratch my butt when I'm in the comments and everything of different social media platforms, and people will be like, Okay, let's just be real. The school shooter, I'm not school shooter, one of the shooters that happened over the weekend. I don't remember the name, and I'm not gonna say the name because it's irrelevant. Apparently one of them was either Mexican or Hispanic or some of that nature. And people were in the comments like, and before y'all say that, before y'all say he's white, he's Hispanic. Like those, like, come on now, you could be white and be Hispanic as well as you can be black and be Hispanic. At the end of the day, you're either white or black. You're either a shade of black or you're white. So yeah, that's my unpopular opinions. Making sure I'm not leaving any of them out. Let me know what y'all think about the last unpopular opinion that I just spoke about. Let me know how y'all feel about that, and let me know some of y'all unpopular opinions. But until next time, bye.